So given f of x is 2x squared minus x plus 10, we want to use it to find 1 f of 0. So f of 0 means where this x put 0, so this will be 2 0 squared, which will be 0 minus 0 plus 10, which just gives us 10. Roman 2, f of x minus 1. This means where this x put x minus 1. So 2 into x minus 1 squared, x minus 1 plus 10. So this will be 2 into x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus x plus 1 plus 10, which will be 2x squared minus 4x plus 2 minus x plus 11. So which will be 2x squared minus 4 minus x, minus 4x minus x is minus 5x. 2 plus 11 is 13. Roman 4 or Roman 3 to find f of k. F of k means where there's x, put k. So we'll have 2k squared minus k plus 10. Yes, be 2k squared minus k plus 10. So next, f of 2t means where this x put 2t. So we'll have 2 into 2t squared minus 2t plus 10, which will be 4t squared times 2 minus 2t plus 10, which will be 8t squared minus 2t plus 10. Then next we have f of a plus b, means where there's x in the function, you put a plus b. So we'll have a plus b times 2 squared minus a plus b plus 10, which will be 2 into a squared plus 2ab plus b squared minus a minus b plus 10, which is the same as 2a squared plus 4ab plus 2b squared minus a minus b plus 10. Lastly, f of 2a minus 3. We'll have 2 into 2a minus 3 squared minus 2a minus 3 plus 10, which is the same as 2 into 4a squared, 2 by 3 by 2 is 12. So the 8a squared 24a plus 18 minus 2a plus 13, which will be 8a squared plus 31. So that's what we have. Then next, we have to find value of alpha and k in these conditions. So we have that f of x is minus 5x minus 3. G of x is minus x plus k. And h of x is 6x plus 5. So given that f composed with g composed with h is given by alpha x minus 18, find alpha and k. So here, the key thing is to understand composition of these three functions, f, g, and h, which is f of g of h of x is by definition which is f then g of h of x, which you write it as f of g of h of x is 6x plus 5. Then we have f of, so g of this input will be negative of that input plus k, and f of this input will be the same as negative 5 into minus 6x plus 5 minus plus k, then minus 3. And finally, we should get this one to be alpha x minus 18, because it's already given that that composition should be that. So we have minus 5, but this will have 5 into 6x plus 5 minus 5k minus 3 equals to alpha x minus 18. So 30x plus 25 minus 5k minus 3 equals to alpha x minus 18. So which can be written as 30x minus 5k plus 3 minus 25 equals to alpha x minus 18. So clearly, this implies alpha equals to 30 and 5k plus 3 minus 25 equals to 18, which will be 5k minus 22 equals to 18. So 5k equals to 18 plus 22. So 5k equals to 40. K is 40 over 5, which is 8. So therefore, k equals to 8 and alpha equals to 30. So next, f of x is x over x minus 2, y is g of x. So we need to find y such that f composed with g is x. So here f of x is x over x minus 2, y is g of x, and f composed with g is the same as x. So find g of x. So with f composed with g of x is the same as f of g of x, which is the same as f g of x can be replaced by y by definition. Now, f of y will be given by y over y minus 2. So this implies that f composed with g is the same as y over y minus 2. We should get x. So by definition of the equation, so i.e. we have y over y minus 2 equals to x, which means y equals to x into y minus 2. So y equals to xy minus 2x. So make y the subject. So we'll have 2x equals to xy minus y. So which means y into x minus 1 equals to 2x. So which means y is 2x over x minus 1. So therefore, g of x is the same as 2x over x minus 1. Lastly, f is given by x squared, g is 1 over x squared minus 3. So we find the solution for this question. So f composed with g will be f of g of x, which will be f of 1 over x squared minus 3, which will be 1 over x squared minus 3 square, which is the same as 1 over x power 4 minus 6x squared plus 9. And then g composed with f, g of f of x, which is g of x squared, which will be 1 over x squared and then square minus 3, which is the same as 1 over x power 4 minus 3. So let's call this 1. Let's call this one 2. Now 1 equals to 2 by definition in the equation, because we're told that f composed with g is the same as g composed with f. So 1 over x power 4 minus 6x squared plus 9 is 1 over x power 4 minus 3. Cross multiply to get x power 4 minus 6x squared plus 9 equals to x power 4 minus 3. So this and this cancels out, so that minus 6x squared plus 9 is minus 3. So 6x squared equals to 12. So which means x squared equals to 2. So x equals to plus or minus equals 2. So therefore the solution to the equation is x is plus or minus equals 2.